There are many different positions that are comfortable for feeding your baby. A lot of women like to feed their babies in a sort of slightly laid back style. Babies seem to love this. They can have their bodies down your body or across you or any combination of those things. And in this position, a lot of babies will just naturally latch on because that's how they're designed to feed. So very often if you just snuggle down and relax with your baby, baby will start going, where's that nipple? And they will bob around and then just latch on. There's not much you have to do about it. So that's a very nice way of feeding, and we call that laid back feeding. Many women like to use pillows to support their babies. This can be really nice, especially after a cesarean section where a mum might feel a little bit nervous about having her baby kick down here. If you're going to use pillows, what you do is you tuck them in nice and close, and they need to be the right height for you so that you can pretty much just pick up your breast and put it on the pillow, and you have almost a shelf. So you can relax your shoulders, all good. Then when your baby comes along, you'd want your baby to lie on the breast shelf next to you. They can latch on, and you're potentially one hand or even two hands free. You're not having to support the weight of the baby. That means that you can type or have your dinner over baby's head, and you can totally relax your shoulders, which is a lovely way to feed. Another feeding position you may have seen is what we call the rugby ball position, and that is when your baby comes alongside you to feed. It's particularly useful for mummies who've got nipples that hang down here quite naturally, and it allows the baby to attach without having to move the breast around too much. Also lovely after cesarean section, also really great for twins. The thing about this is that babies are quite long and they will crash into the back of the sofa unless you've got something behind you keeping enough space between baby and the back of the sofa. You see, now you'd be able to relax, and it's sometimes nice to bring in pillows to support baby. There we go, and that's less work on the arms and the shoulders.